Euro USD price prediction. The market is about to move all the way to the downside. Look at it here. Market is going to from here come all the way to the downside, and this is very important. If you trade Euro USD, pay attention to this as I go into the detail in this very video. And on USDJPY, markets come back down all the way to this very point, find this important level and move back upward, come back to retest the same level. What next for the market? Because in my opinion, I believe the market now have a greater capacity of moving from this very area all the way to the upside. Let's discuss this in detail as well in this very video, so pay attention and watch this video gradually all the way to the very end. The first thing here is the 1 day chart Euro USD. Look at it. Market move all the way to the upside. Market is an uptrend, and from this very point we see the market begin to have door momentum moving forward. So from here, market move a little bit to the upside, but did not move with the same momentum we see the market move with from this very point all the way to the upside. And then we see retracement at this very point. Right now, in my opinion, I believe the market now have capability of moving all the way to the downside, and this is very, very important. So what I am now looking at is for the market to come back to the downside, which is what you need to keep your eye on as well if you really want to be in the right direction of the market. Look at what happened this very week. This was where the market opened right here on Monday, and you discover within this very area, market did not really move upward or downward. The candles were side by side, and we have this little spike with this very bullish candle right here, and market come all the way to the downside. And what that means is from this very area, market is going to move downward into this very level of important support. This is what I am now expecting from now moving forward on the price of Euro USD. Pay attention to these guys to be in the right direction of the market, because this is very important on Euro USD 1 day chart. And if you come back to the 4-hour chart, you see something very different on the 4-hour chart, which we need to pay attention to as well, because it's very, very important. Look at it right here. Market move all the way to the upside, and right now I believe this very move all the way upward have come to an end, and market is going to move downward. Look at it. This very line of important level of support, trend line. Okay, so this is a support right at this very point. We have another support right here. We have another support right here. I believe market should come back down and then form support for the market to move upward, and then the next move to the downside will break out of the trend line, which will give the market more capability of moving all the way to the downside. And this is what you need to pay attention to be in the right direction of the market. So from where the market is right here, expect the market to come back down, and then the next move upward, not creating a new high right at this very point. Rather, we should see a fail swing, and once we see a fail swing here, market should come back to the downside in this very formation. This is what I am expecting right now on my price action. Pay attention to this, because market is going to come back down in favor of the USD. What that means is, instead of you looking for buy opportunity, pay attention to selling the market, because the market is going to favor the US dollars, considering the Euro USD 4-hour chart and the 1 day chart. This is very important. So this is what I am now looking at, a sell opportunity on Euro USD moving forward. And if you come to the 1 day chart USDJPY, it is covered that markets have been going all the way to the downside, and we see the markets revolve within this very area, which means this very point is an important level of support, which the market need break key levels before the market is going to move all the way to the upside. And one important thing that is also very necessary on this very price action is, if you consider where the market opened on Monday, it is called that within this very area, market did not really move much, and that is why I did not give any signal on the Telegram channel, which I supposed to, but I was looking at the market have a lot of stability before I will see the market begin to move in the predicted direction, which is all the way to the upside. And that is what we are seeing right now on price action. Market is going to from here move all the way to the upside, and that is what I am expecting. This is my personal opinion. You may have something very contrary to what I'm talking about, but if you look at this very price action critically, it discovered that market has been coming all the way to the downside. From this very point, market moved downward. We have retracement right here. Market come back down, retracement, come back down again, market retrace, come back, could not create a new low, which is very important. When market could not create a new low, when market was going back all the way to the downside, it means that the trend is coming to an end gradually, which means the market is going to reverse and begin to move all the way to the upside. In this very case, market should move all the way upward, and that is what I am personally looking at right now on my price action. So pay attention to these guys to be in the right direction of the market. On the 1-day chart, USDJPY market should move from here all the way to the upside, and I am looking at a possible breakout on this very level of important resistance. Pay attention to these guys. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, USDJPY, it discovered that market moved all the way from this very point to the downside, and from there market moved upward. That was on Monday, moving to this very point, and then come back down to exact same point, and the market move again. This is a sign that this market is going to begin to move upward. So what I am expecting on the 4-hour chart on USDJPY is for the market to retrace a little bit before the next move to the upside, and that is when I'm going to give a trade on the Telegram channel. This is very important, and it's going to be a very important switch trade to take all the way upward for a buy opportunity in favor of the USD. That is a buy position because market is going to favor the USD all the way to the upside, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now to be in the right direction of the market. This is very, very important. So if you want to take that trade with us, join the Telegram channel. The link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel to receive this free signal and also more trade setup, especially next week, because a lot of market is going to move very well all the way to the predicted direction according to this very price analysis. So this is what I am now looking at on USDJPY 4-hour chart. Expect the market to come back down from where it is right now within this very area. Market should come back down, and after this retracement, because market created a new high higher than the previous high at this very point, which means retracement should come into the market, and then from this very area I'm going to verify that retracement have ended for us to take the next leg of this very move all the way to the upside, which will be the next impulsive move. So this is what I am paying attention to right now moving forward. So this is what you need to expect as well to be in the right direction of the market on USDJPY 4-hour chart and the 1-day chart, and also on Euro USD 4-hour chart and also the 1-day chart. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Join right now for more forex update. And if you want to watch my other videos on the channel, check this video out. It's going to help you as well. And check this video out. It's going to help you greatly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.